butterflies and butterflies for $23,000.
It's all one-of-a-kind collector's art, dude. Shots of Steve Rage, green cloud artist. May I?
Absolutely.
It's good. That's so the kids can see it when they're driving by in the cars.
Yeah. The kids look sprinkles.
Yeah.
That's just a little fact.
Coffee art, not a problem in the green cloud world. We'll just call that art. Pour one out for the homies, folks.
Coffee art?
Yep. You know, when you spill a little coffee on your art when you're nodding off. There you go. Shouts to the coffee guys. They keep us going. Couldn't do it without them.
Whoa. This is better and better.
This is what makes it age well. With that patina that makes collectors pay thousands.
Yeah, and here's actually how it's done.
And by collectors, we mean geniuses.
Actually, how it's done, you just do it.
Just do it. You just do it.
Do you need a special cup to pour the coffee from? No. Just this cup.
Yeah, look at this. For good luck. For good luck, you get a little matcha. Put it there.
So you don't talking rough sense.
Yeah, and then you're balling. It's like you're at Woodstock, dude. Doing what you want. DIY, baby.
Don't you expensive art tools? Not really.
Have the 2 weed leaves meat right there. Chill. Not really.
You'll find art tools are almost everywhere.
All we have is time. That's what Bruce Lee says. You have the time if you want to make some art. If you want to make some music, some tweets, some memes, whatever you want to make.
What about Andy Warhol? He's looking for a job, and they said, "Could you draw shoes?" With New Yorker magazine, and he went home and brought back 500,000 pictures he drew of shoes, or 50,000.
Effort equals results. That's what the guy's art said today on the boardwalk.
Yeah.
Effort equals results.
Now this looks like a hot mess, right?
Yeah. Put it on there. Slap it right on there. Slap it on there.
It's half the fun.
Slap it on there for a while. Let it chill. Yeah.
Third grade, we told
Yeah.
Kenny Rogers put his Frankenstein in the water. From live.
Maybe we'll be putting those up tomorrow. We could tape them up wet though. They might go up good wet. They might go up nice. The boss might like that. That might be pro. To put them up wet. The mac and cheese tape. All right, guys. We'll report back from the site of these arts when they go up.